Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Aglasam School. So today in this video we are going to continue exercise 9.1 from chapter 9 from class 10th. The name of the chapter is Some Applications of Trigonometry. So this is the part 2 video. Here we include question number 7, question number 8, question number 9, 10 and 11. So let's start with the very first question of this video, question number 7. From a point on a ground, the angles of elevations of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. So here we have to find the height of the tower. Here it is given that transmission tower is fixed at the top of 20-meter high. So this is 20-meter high building and the angles are 45 degree and 60 degree. Let's start the solution part. Let BC is building and AB is transmission tower. So BC is a building and AB is a transmission tower. So A and B is a transmission tower. In triangle BCD, BC upon CD is equals to tan 45 degree. We have to solve this. 20 upon CD is equals to 1. CD is equals to 1. In triangle ACD, AC upon CD is equals to tan 60 degree. Now let's solve this. AB plus BC upon CD is equals to root 3 is equals to AB plus 20 upon 20 is equals to root 3. So AB plus 20 is equals to 20, root 3 is equals to AB is equal to 20 bracket root 3 minus 1. Hence the height of a transmission tower is 20 root 3 minus 1 meter. So this is the height of a transmission tower. So now let's move on to the next question, that is question number 8. Question number 8 says a statue 1.6 meter tall stand on the top of the pedestal. From a point of a ground, the angle of elevation of a top of the statue is 60 degree and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of a pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of a pedestal. So here let's start with the solution. This is let BC is pedestal and AB is 1.6 meter high statue in triangle BCD. Here the figure is drawn on the back side. Triangle BCD, BC upon CD is equals to tan 45 degree. Therefore BC upon CD is equals to 1, then BC equal to CD in triangle ACD, in triangle AC and D. AB plus BC upon CD is equals to tan 60 degrees. So AB plus BC upon BC is root 3 is equals to 1.6 plus BC upon BC is equals to root 3. Then BC plus 1.6 is equals to BC root 3. 1.6 is equals to BC bracket root 3 minus 1. Come to the next steps, that are BC is equals to 1 upon 6 upon root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 plus 1 is equals to 1.6 root 3 plus 1 upon 2. After solving this we get 0.8 bracket root 3 plus 1. Hence the height of a pedestal is 0.8 bracket root 3 plus 1 meter. So the height is 0.8 root 3 plus 1 meter. So now let's move on to the next question, that is question number 9 from the same exercise 9.1 which says the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of a tower is 30 degree and angle of elevation on the top of a tower from the foot of a building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of a building. So here we have to find the height of a building. Let CD is 50 meter, let CD is 50 meter high tower and AB is building in triangle CDB. Let AB is a building in triangle CDB. So let's come to triangle CDB, CD and B. CD upon BD is equals to tan 60 degree. Now solve this. 50 upon BD is equals to root 3 is equals to BD is equals to 50 upon root 3. In triangle ABD, in triangle AB and D, AB upon BD is equals to tan 30 degree is equals to AB upon 50 slash root 3 is equals to 1 upon root 3 is equals to AB is equals to 50 upon root 3 into 1 upon root 3 is equals to 50 upon 3 is equals to 16 2 upon 3. Hence the height of a building is 16 2 upon 3 meter. Height of a building is 16 2 upon 3 meter. So now let's move on to the next question, that is question number 10 from the same exercise 9.2. So question number 10 says two poles of equal height are standing opposite each other on either side of a road which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of a poles and distance of a point from the poles. Okay, so we have to find the height of the poles and the distance of a point from the poles. So diagram is on next page. So let's start. Let BD is 80 meter wide road and AB and CD are the two equal poles. So AB, CD are the two equal poles. Now let AB is equals to CD is equals to X in triangle ABO. AB upon BO is equals to tan 60 degree. Let's solve this. X upon BO is equals to root 3 is equals to BO is equal to X upon root 3. In triangle CDO, in triangle CD and O, CD upon DO is equals to tan 30 degree. Let's solve this. X upon 80 minus BO is equals to 1 upon root 3 is equals to X. Root 3 is equals to 80 minus BO. So now what we have to do is we have to solve this and we will get X root 3 is equals to 80 minus X upon root 3. Putting the value of BO, X root 3 plus X upon root 3 is equals to 80. 3x plus X is equal to 80 root 3 is equals to 4x is equal to 80 root 3. So the X will be 20 root 3. Therefore BO is equals to X upon root 3 is equals to 20. Value of BO is 20 root 3 upon root 3 is equals to 20. DO is equals to BD minus BO is equals to 80 minus 20 meter is equals to 60 meter. Hence the height of a pole is 20 root 3 meter and the distance poles from the point is 20 meter and 60 meter. Distance of a pole from the point is 20 meter and 60 meter. So now move on to the next question. Question number 11 says a TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. From a point on another bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower is 60 degree. From another point 20 meter away from the point on a line joining this point to the foot of a tower, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower is 30 degree. See figure, 30 degree. Find the height of a tower and the width of a canal. So we have to find the height of the tower and the width of a canal. Let AB is TV tower and BC is width. Let AB is a TV tower, this is a tower, and BC is a width. So BC is a width of the canal. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, AB upon BC is tan 60 degree. So this is 60 degree is equals to AB upon BC is equal to root 3. Then BC is equals to AB upon root 3. In triangle ABD, in triangle AB and D, AB upon BD is equals to tan 30 degree. So AB upon BC is equals to BC plus CD is equals to 1 upon root 3. Now after doing this we have to solve this equation, that is AB upon AB slash root 3 plus CD is equals to 1 upon 3. Putting the value of BC, AB root 3 upon AB plus 20 root 3 is equals to 1 upon 3 is equals to 3AB is equal to AB plus 20 root 3 is equals to 2AB is equals to 20 root 3. So AB is equals to 10 root 3. Therefore BC is AB upon root 3 is equals to 10 root 3 the value of AV, 10 root 3 upon root 3 is equals to 10. Hence the height of a tower is 10 root 3 meter. Height of a tower is 10 root 3 meter and the width of a tower is 10 meter. This is the width, this is the height. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Hope you like this video. If you like, then don't forget to share this video as much as you can, and the most important, don't forget to subscribe our channel Agla School for more NCERT solution. Till then, take care. Bye bye.